Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks. Today we learn lookup function with if condition. Let's fill some empty cell before we start. Create a list in name cell instead of typing due to the chance for spelling mistakes. So ready for a lookup function. Type equals to Xlookup, then select a cell for lookup value. Then select a column for lookup array. And then select a column for return values. Press enter. As you can see, an error. This is only for when lookup value not found. Simple. Now we can edit this formula with if NA function, just going back to equals to. Then type if NA, then ignore the value. Then move to last and type in inverted commas not found. And close the bracket and press enter. Now you are ready to use Xlookup function. Select name from the list, then you can see the result in percentage column. For more interesting videos, please do like, share, and subscribe.